Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So, this is the look right here which I'm going to create in today's video. So, this is kind of like a minimal makeup look which you can wear every day with your Western as well as Indian outfits. So, without me blabbering much, let's get started with the video.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here.
So I'm going to get started with pulling my hair back, and first I'm going to apply a moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm using today, it's from the brand Face Shop. It's their Calendula moisture cream. So I'm going to take a pea size amount and then I'm going to apply all over my face. So it gives my skin an instant hydration, and I would like to follow this step before I apply any kind of makeup. So now it's time for foundation, and for foundation today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. The shade and everything I will be mentioning in the description box below, so do check that out. So today with my foundation I'm mixing a little bit of MAC strobe cream. So it's in the shade Pink Light. So I got this in a sample size in one of my MAC purchases. So this will give a dewy finish to your foundation, and that is the kind of look I'm opting for today. So I'm going to spread the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to apply it with the help of a brush. So for brush today I'm using PAC 231 brush, which is a foundation brush. One more thing here, you can apply a concealer in your under eye areas or whichever area you feel it needs concealing. So you can do that part before or after this particular step. For today I'm skipping that part, but you can obviously do if you need to. So now I'm applying the foundation on my neck area as well, and I can keep on doing this till I am completely satisfied. And now I'm applying Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm before I move to my eyes. So before moving into my eyes, I'm quickly going to do my brows. For that, I'm using Innisfree eyebrow pencil. So it is having a spoolie end. With that, I am going to brush my brows before filling it. And now with the pencil, I'm going in the upward stroke motion, and I'm going to quickly fill it. So I'm keeping it very subtle for today. I'm not going for a dramatic one. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this particular color from Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette. And I'm putting this particular color very close to my upper lash line. And I'm drawing kind of a wing eyeliner. And I'm also going to use another color from the same palette, which is a little bit on the purple side, which is this one. And this one is also I'm going to put on top of the brown color which I have already used. So you no need to be very perfect with the lining, because anyway we are going to smudge it out. So I'm now going for another eye, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. I'm just going to mix these two shadows and just going to apply it as the same way. So as you can see, we have a little bit of fallout here and there in the process, so no need to worry about that. We are just going to get rid of it in a little while. Once I'm happy with placing the shadows in place, I'm quickly going to brush off the fallouts from my face. And now I'm going for the lower lash line. So for my lower lash line as well, I'm going to use the same eyeshadows which I have used in the upper lash line as well. And I'm going to apply it a little thick. So now on top of it, I am using a Nykaa eye pencil, which is brown in color. So this will give like a extra definition to my lower lash line. So now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this particular shade from the same eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to dab a little bit on the inner corners. It will not give like a blinding highlighting effect. It will just make my eyes look a little bigger. So now for blush, I'm using this particular shade from Sugar Cosmetics face palette. So I guess this is in the variant Vivid Victory if I'm not wrong. And this is my favorite part of this whole thing. So I'm going very generous on the blush. So here comes the highlighter now, and for that I'm using Maybelline's Chrome highlighter, and it's in the shade Rose Gold. So I'm applying it on the usual places, a little bit on the brow bones, and some on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the cheekbones as well. So now with my glasses on and my hair untied, I'm going to apply lipstick. So I'm applying the shade Twig from MAC Cosmetics. It's a very beautiful shade, as you can see, and it's one of my favorite. And with that, I just forgot to apply mascara and show it to you, so I did it off the camera, and this is the final look that I have created today. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and if you want to see more such content on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon whenever you are subscribing. And I have also put up some of the photos with this particular look on my Instagram account, so if you are not following me there, please do check that out. And I'll see you on my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.